Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are looking at a door. Now this is a staircase door reported as not locking, and I've checked it out. It's got the Brava 3062 on it with the blocker plate as well, with the spinner on this side using LW5 keyway. It's got the door closer, which is a bit of a cheap nasty Ryobi, but still has plenty of pressure. No leaky oil, so it's not leaking. Test for automatic locking. That's fairly smooth, it's not banging too hard, it's not annoying the neighbours. Lever works good. Okay, so what I think's happening is somebody's had a key cut at Bunnings and now they're reporting it as broken, the lock being broken, when realistically it's probably just a bad key. So let's just make a key and see where we go from there.
Before we do this experiment, go ahead and subscribe.
Okay, so that's it. So basically, I've just made a key for it, and that should solve all the problems. Key goes in beautifully, turns effortlessly, and that's all we need. Okay, thanks for watching.